Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through how to delete all Instagram messages at once. If you want to delete all the Instagram messages at once, then first of all you need to make sure that you have turned on your professional mode. So to check that, first of all open your Instagram application, then go through your profile and make sure that you have professional dashboard. Once you check that, go back to your home page and on the top right you will see a chat icon. Simply hit on that. Now on the top you will see three dots. Select that and select chats. From here you can select chat and on the button right you will see delete option. Simply hit on the delete. So in this way you can delete all Instagram messages at once. I hope you like this video. If you like this video then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.